Okay, what's up YouTube? It's Kingdom Kino coming at you with my first unboxing video. Today I got something a little different, just a little background on how I got this cop. I was on sneakers and I went for the Space Hippie pack, you know what I'm saying? And what the pack consisted of was Nike models all made out of recycled trash, just different materials and stuff like that. The Space Hippie 3 is what I was originally going after, but that sold out quick, so I went for the Space Hippie 4, I believe, and I didn't know it was a woman's shoe, so the shoe ended up being a 10.5 to where, you know, I showed my dad pictures of it, and he was just like, oh, I'll just grab that. He wears a 10.5, I'll wear a 12, so I got a woman's 12 by accident. And you know what I'm saying, first off, they come in this kind of like somewhat of a flat box. Not even flat, but it's not that big. My trusty knife to unbox this with you guys. I was thinking about buying this particular pair on StockX. It's not going for too much, but it's just, I was kind of upset that I got it in a woman's 12 instead of a men's, but I didn't know it was a woman's shoe. The type of box that it's in, kind of could tell it's like made for women, but other than that, I feel like so the box itself, that what it comes in, this shoe is basically like trying to save the earth as far as recycling, because the box that it comes in, when you get if you ever purchase this shoe, this is the box that it comes in. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think people know what I mean when you get a package and it's a box within a box. But this box has the straight shoes in it, so just having a little trouble opening it, but hopefully I don't cut myself, because that'll be bad. My first unboxing. And here is the shoe. Yeah, I definitely would have liked this in my size. Just the whole pack and the concept was cool. These are the sneakers right here. You have like this just foam effect. It reminds me of just like a junkyard. I don't know. It reminds me of a junkyard with this nice woven sock material up front. You got your hit of lime green on the swoosh. That's not even lime green. That's like Vault. That's what they using nowadays. Slime for the kids. You know what I'm saying? Slime. They know what that is. But this is just a clean, different pair of sneakers that I may just have to end up picking up in my size. The bottom of the outsole, it just looks rigged. It kind of reminds me of a soccer shoe, like a cleat, but unfortunately this isn't my pair. You feel me? Like, this is my dad's. So I just wanted to get something different out as far as the unboxing on my channel, but it's just looking nice so far. I mean, like, I bless my dad all the time with shoes from just me trying to like either resell, or if it's usually always a 10.5. It's never a 12. But hey, he got a nice pickup right here. These are like the stone gray and the black laces. It's just something different that I appreciate Nike doing, because these are hard, you know what I'm saying? Just gave me the wrong freaking size, but it's all good, you know what I'm saying? My dad got a dope pair of shoes, and I was able to get a nice review out to you guys, but I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys see these on feet with my dad, and y'all have a blessed day. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, let me know what y'all want to see. I got a clothing haul coming up soon for just a lot of the pieces that I've been buying throughout the quarantine. I gotta record that, but thank you so much for tuning in. Drop that like if you rock with these, and just let me know your overall thoughts about this shoe together, because it's definitely different, especially with the packaging. Please be careful when you open the box, because I'm glad I ain't do nothing crazy, because the shoes was right in there. So once again, thanks for tuning in. I'm out.